This coconut bread is mouth-watering and easy to make. Mix 1 teaspoon of yeast with 150 ml of warm milk. Wait for 10 minutes, then transfer to a bowl. Mix in 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 3 tablespoons of honey. Add 300 grams of flour with half teaspoon of salt and combine. Cover and let it double in size. Meanwhile, beat 1 egg and save some for later. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 60 grams of coconut, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. After your dough has doubled in size, transfer to a floured bench and roll it out. Cover with half of the coconut mixture, fold to the center, and transfer to a bread mold. Cover with the remaining coconut. Let it rise for 30 minutes. Brush the eggs and bake for about 40 minutes at 180°C. And enjoy